Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the vinyl and tools. This saves rework. Load the 4.05 puff vinyl into your cutter, align edges and secure with painter's tape so it won't shift. Set blade to 45 degrees, speed 20-30 and force 80-120 grams, then run a small test cut. Once done, weed the test shape and inspect the raised effect. This tells you if the blade or force needs adjustment before committing to full pieces. You now weed the cut design, removing negative vinyl while protecting the puffed outlines. Use a hook tool for internal holes. Once weeded, prepare to layer, apply hinge tape and align using 1 mm registration marks so each color nests correctly. If multiple layers, press base layer briefly at low heat to set, then apply next layer. Make sure to trim registration gaps and small vents so trapped air can escape during final pressing. This prevents bubbling and uneven puffing. You finish by pressing the assembled vinyl. Set heat to 275-300 degrees Fahrenheit, cover with Teflon, and apply medium pressure for 8-12 seconds so the puff expands evenly. Once done, let it cool 20-30 seconds. Peel according to material. Cold peel only if the manufacturer says so. If a spot didn't puff or stuck, reheat that area for 3-5 seconds with light pressure. Then cool again. This targets fixes without flattening surrounding puff texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.